Hello guys, good morning. This is Maggie Raj here, and now I am going to get discuss about the oscillation. So here, let me discuss here for the second pendulum, and after that the damped oscillation and force oscillations. First of all, what is the second pendulum? Second pendulum. So it is that type of simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. It is that type of simple pendulum whose time period is time period is 2 सेकेंड. ओके, मीन्स अगर ये इस तरीके से ऑसिलेट करें तो ये इसकी अगर मेन पोजीशन है तो ये every 1 second, after every 1 second it will passes with its mean position, यानी हर एक 1 सेकेंड के टाइम गैप में अपनी मेन पोजीशन को क्रॉस करेगा. सो second point pendulum is that type of simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. Okay, and according to this, this is a simple pendulum which oscillate so to and fro with its mean position. So it is passes after 1 second, after every 1 second with its mean position. So this is the simple pendulum. Okay, so according to this this type of question arises, what is the length of the rope by which this second pendulum attached? So length is this, and its time period of the second pendulum is this, and the value of gravity is 9.8 or 10 meter per second square. So according to this, t equals to 2 pi root L by G. So t square equals to 4 pi square L by G. So according to this, the length equals to gt square by 4 pi square. So L equals to 9.8 into t square. 4 2 का स्क्वायर 4 हो जाएगा. 4 इंटू द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई स्क्वायर इज अप्रॉक्स 9.85. ओके, so it will be equals to 980 upon 985. So it is approx 0.99, that is 1 meter. Okay, so this is the length of the rope by which the second pendulum attached. Okay, now free oscillation. Free oscillation. So free oscillation are those oscillation in which any body oscillate up to infinite times with a constant amplitude. These are known as free oscillation. In this type of oscillation, amplitude remains constant and up to infinite time, means t up to infinite, and its amplitude remains constant. So whenever any body oscillate in such a way that its amplitude remains constant up to infinite time, that types of oscillation are known as free oscillation. Okay, now let me discuss here. These are the damped oscillation. Damped oscillation, it means its amplitude decreases continuously and time has come when its amplitude becomes zero. So in this type of oscillation or damped oscillation, whenever any body oscillate in such a way that its amplitude decreases continuously with respect to time, and such a time has come when its amplitude become zero, this type of oscillation are known as damped oscillation. So these are the damped oscillation. According to this, this is the amplitude and which decreases continuously, and such a time after which its amplitude becomes zero. So this is the damped oscillation. Okay, this amplitude decreases कंटिन्यूअसली। ओके, देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में इसका जो एम्पलीट्यूड है कंटिन्यूअस डिक्रीज कर रहा है, और कुछ समय बाद एक ऐसी पोजीशन आएगी जहां पर इसका एम्पलीट्यूड डिक्रीज करके क्या हो जाएगा, जीरो हो जाएगा। ऐसे ऑसिलेशंस जो होते हैं डैम्प्ड ऑसिलेशन होते हैं। ओके, सो व्हेनेवर एनी बॉडी oscillate in such a way that its amplitude decreases continuously with respect to time, and after some time a situation has come when its amplitude becomes zero. These type of oscillation are known as damped oscillation. Okay, so according to here, these damped force let a body oscillate such as a damped oscillation where damped force Fd directly proportional minus B. So Fd equals to minus Bv, where B is constant. Okay, and you know that restoring force is equals to minus Kx, where K is constant, that is known as force constant. So according to this, resultant force will be thus F equals to Fd plus Fr. It is equals to minus Bv plus minus Kx. Okay, in this form where V equals to dx by dt, F equals to m into a, or m d square x by dt square. Okay, so putting in this equation by equation first, m into d square x by dt square equals to minus b dx by dt minus kx. So m d square x by dt square plus b dx by dt plus kx equals to 0. This is the form of equation of this SHM, damped oscillations, and its amplitude will be by this equation. Whenever we solve, then its displacement time equation will be कुछ इस टाइप में होगी। y equals to a into small e to raise power minus t bt upon 2m bt upon 2m into cos ओमेगा डैश t प्लस फाई। इसको जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो इस तरीके से डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम इक्वेशन मिलेगी, जहां पर एम्पलीट्यूड ये है, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं y इक्वल टू a cos ओमेगा डैश t प्लस फाई, where a is equals to a small e bt by 2m. This is the amplitude of this damped oscillation. Okay, where value of omega dash, where omega dash equals to root k by m minus b square upon 4m square. This is the value of angular velocity of this damped oscillation. Okay, and its energy is equals to 1 by 2 k a square, and you know that value of amplitude is this. So according to this, its value is k a e to the power minus b t upon 2m whole square. So its value will be 1 by 2 a square e to the power minus b t upon 2m into 2. So it will be equals to 1 by 2 Ka square e to raise power minus Bt upon m. This is the energy. Okay, and for the short damped, you can also write this. For the short damped, this is the specific condition B by root K m is less than 1. Okay, for the short damped, the value of B by root K m should be less than 1. Okay, so in this we will solve these angular frequencies, energy and etc. by this damped oscillation. Okay.